Dear student, today we are in our lecture for NEET and JEE surface chemistry. Yes, these are MCQ. Positively charged colloidal particles and negatively charged colloidal particle. So I am giving you example. Metallic hydroxide is positively charged like chromium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide and ferric hydroxide. Colloidal particle is positively charged in the solution of colloidal, and some metallic oxide. This is metallic hydroxide. Metallic oxide like alumina, Al2O3 into XH2O, which is also positive charged, and chromium oxide, which is also positively charged particles. Some basic dye stuff means color. In the chemistry, in the biology lab, methyl blue we are using. So which is dye, color, stuff, dye stuff. In basic medium, methylene blue is positively charged colloidal particles. Now proteins in the acidic medium. Proteins in the acidic medium as a positive charged colloidal particles. Remember this. Now metallic sulfide like arsenic sulfide, antimony sulfide and cadmium sulfide. Metallic sulfide like arsenic sulfide, antimony sulfide and cadmium sulfide are negatively charged. Yes, charge on this colloidal particle is negative. Acid dye stuff, these are basic. Now this one acid. Some acidic colors in the lab of Congo red. Sol of Congo red is the name of color. Dye means color in acidic medium, which is negatively charged particles. Proteins in acidic medium, particle of it is positively charged, but protein in the basic medium, which is negatively charged, negative charge on it. Sol of starch. Yes, our starch, gum, gunda, gelatin, clay, mati, and charcoal means coal soap. Both type of animal charcoal and plant charcoal, both are negatively charged particles. If question asked, so these are MCQ of eta. Now charge on the colloidal particles. Colloidal particles always carry an electric charge. It means colloidal particles should be positively charged, otherwise negatively charged. It carries on surface, there is a charge, positive or negative. The mutual forces of repulsion in the colloidal particle having same charge on its surface. So due to repulsion force occurs between them, similarity charged particles prevent them from aggregating. Aggregating means ભેગા થવું, coagulation થવું, precipitation થવું, setting થઈ જવું. એટલે બધા particles ભેગા થઈ and which are not settled down into the vessel under the action of gravity. Gravitational force ને કારણે તે નીચે બેસી જતા નથી, કારણ કે સેમ ચાર્જ છે. રિપલ્શન ને કારણે દૂર દૂર રહેશે and Brownian moment remains continuous in the solution. This gives stability to the salt. Yes. જ્યારે સોલ છે ઓન ધી વેસલ બેસી જાય તો અનસ્ટેબલ કહેવાય. Souls are moving continuously and experiences Brownian moment, which is called a stable soul. The charge is due to the preferential absorption of either positive or negative common ion present in excess. આપણે લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર જોઈ ગયા હતા. ફેરિક હાઇડ્રોક્સાઇડ gives precipitate. We are adding electrolyte FeCl3. So here which ion is common? Fe plus 3. So Fe plus 3 absorbed on the surface in excess. Yes. So our particle became positively charged. So ferric hydroxide salt is positively charged, and due to same charge on it, it remains far from each other, and our colloidal solution became more stable. And chloride ion of electrolyte remains in the solution in the dispersion medium. This is dispersed phase. This is dispersion medium. Marese. And colloidal salt became stable due to charge on its surface. There is a positive charge or negative. Sometimes colloidal particle is be discussed negatively charged. So due to same charge on the negative charge particle, it remains far from each other and is not aggregating, not setting under the gravitational force. Now go to the next point. Electrical double layer on the colloidal particle. The surface of a colloidal particle acquires a positive or negative charge by selective adsorption. Yes, in the colloidal particle, by selective nature, it should be positively charged, otherwise negatively charged. If it absorbs positive charge, then negative charge remains in medium. Dispersion medium. If colloidal particle absorbs the negative charge of electrolyte, then positive ion remains in the solution. Selective adsorption. Yes, every colloidal particle has a selection. When we take aluminium hydroxide and when we add AlCl3, so aluminium hydroxide absorbs the Al plus 3. Common ion adsorb correct. So Al plus 3 absorbed here, and chloride ion remains in the solution like this. Positive or negative ions around it. A positive charge with any आसपास negative with any आसपास positive. This layer attracts counter ion from the medium, which form a second layer. એટલે colloidal particle પર positive charged first layer છે. બની ગયું. Then counter ion. So opposite colloidal particle adds of positive ions and negative ion is counter ion attracts to them, and second layer occurs there. Positive and negative. First layer positive, the second negative. First negative, the second positive one's layer. The combination of these two layers of positive or negative charge around the salt particle was called Helmholtz double layer. आज colloidal particle पर positive charge ने negative charge ना बे layers बने and Helmholtz double layer कहवाय छे. According to the modern view, the first layer of ions is firmly held and is termed a fixed layer. The first layer void, which is fixed and tightly bonded with attracted toward the colloidal particle, so which is called a fixed layer. The પહેલું layer છે fixed layer કહેવાય છે. While the second layer is mobile, the second layer છે movable છે, tightly not bonded with the first layer, but weakly attracted toward positive to negative charge. which is termed as diffused layer or a mobile layer. Second layer. This combination of the compact and diffuse layer is referred as the stun double layer, which is also called the stun double layer. The diffuse layer is only loosely attached to the particle surface. Mobile layer છે એ loosely attached with the first layer of the particle surface, moves in the opposite direction under the applied electrical field. Yes, this two layer having particles when we take into the electrical field. So first layer is suppose positively charged, second layer is negatively charged. When we dip two electrodes and high voltage when we apply electric current, so mobile layer moves toward the opposite charge of the plate. Suppose our mobile layer is negatively charged, so negative ion attracts toward the anode, positive charge, and now particles moves toward the cathode. The potential difference between the fixed layer and diffusion layer is called, એટલે આપણે વોલ્ટેજનો ડિફરન્સ ને કરી. વોટ ઇઝ પોટેન્શિયલ? પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ અને નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ પ્લેટમાં જ્યારે આપણે કરંટ આપીએ, so there is a difference of electrode potential. Yes, so positive charge and negative charge વચ્ચે જે potential difference હોય, which is called electrokinetic potential or zeta potential. The first layer and the second layer both are oppositely charged, so there is a potential difference occurs, and that potential difference is called electrokinetic potential, otherwise zeta potential. આ લેયર અને આ લેયર વચ્ચે જે electrokinetic potential, otherwise zeta potential, we are calling. Yes. Generally, so are two types, lyophilic and lyophobic. We know lyophobic means metallic salt, metallic hydroxide, which has a repulsion with a dispersion medium. Salt જે medium હોય એના પ્રત્યેનો repulsion હોય. So which are highly unstable, are readily precipitated by small amount of electrolyte. આવા લાયોફોબિક સોલમાં થોડું પણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ એટલે જે આયન આપે એવું સબસ્ટેન્સ ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ કહેવાય, એડ કરીએ તો એનું પ્રિસિપિએશન થઈ જાય. એટલે નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ હોય તો એ પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ હોય ન્યુટ્રલ થઈ એગ્રીગેટ થઈ જશે and precipitation occurs. However, these salts are often stabilized by addition of lyophilic salts. તો એની અંદર આપણે lyophilic salt ઉમેરીએ તો એની સ્ટેબિલિટી આવી જાય છે. It can be stable. Lyophobic salt is taken. We are adding lyophilic salt. So one layer occurs on the surface of it, and this type of lyophilic salt never aggregate with each other due to protecting layer. Protection થઈ જાય, and that layer is protecting layer. The property of lyophilic salt, જે protection થયું lyophilic salt ઉપર lyophilic નો protecting layer થઈ જાય. Lyophilic salts to prevent the precipitation or coagulation of a lyophilic salt is called protection. આ process ને protection કહેવાય છે. Lyophilic salt is highly unstable, so we are adding lyophilic salt. So lyophilic salt adsorbs on the surface of lyophilic salt, and this layer stay away far from each other to the colloidal particles which are lyophobic, and that process is called protection. The lyophilic sol used to protect a lyophobic sol. The lyophobic sol ના protection માટે lyophilic sol use કરીએ છીએ. Form PPT precipitation referred to as a protective colloid, and this lyophilic sol is protective colloid. Lyophilic sols form a thin layer around the lyophobic sol. Lyophobic sol ઉપર એક પાતળું thin layer બનાવશે, or around the ions. Sometimes iron હોય તો એની આસપાસ પણ આવું layer બનશે, furnished by electrolyte, and therefore the coagulation cannot take place. પછી coagulation નહીં થાય, as the size does not increase much, and size પણ એટલી બધી increase નહીં થાય. Gelatin, albumin. In egg there is a protein which is called egg albumin. Protein in the egg. Gum arabia, જેને આપણે ગુંદ કહીએ છીએ તે, પોટેટો સ્ટાર્ચ, બટેકામાં રહેલું સ્ટાર્ચ, આ બધા લાયોફિલિક સોલ છે અને પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ લેયર બનાવશે, કોટિંગ કરશે on the lyophobic sol. Example of protective colloids. The lyophilic colloids differ in their protecting power. પણ આ બધા gelatin, albumin, gum arabia, potash, potato starch has not the same kind of value of protecting power. એ બધાનો protecting power અલગ-અલગ છે, પ્રોટેક્ટ કરવાનું. એટલે કે gelatin, albumin, gum arabia, starch આ બધા એડ કરીએ તેનું પ્રોટેક્શન પાવર, એટલે અમુકનું ઓછું એમાઉન્ટ નાખવાથી પ્રોટેક્શન થાય, અમુકનું વધારે એમાઉન્ટ નાખવાથી પ્રોટેક્શન થાય. સો પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ પાવર is different. The protecting power is measured in the term of gold number. અને એ protecting power કેટલો છે, which is measured in the term of gold number, and that gold number protecting power of the lyophilic sol. Lyophobic sol ના protection માટે lyophilic sol નાખીએ, એનો protecting power different છે, એને gold number કહેવાય છે. And that gold number introduced by Zsigmondy. Zsigmondy, yes, name of the scientist. So we are going to discuss about gold number. So what is actually gold number? Now, definition of gold number. Protecting power means gold number. This is definition. The number of milligram of hydrophilic colloid means lyophilic colloid which has great attraction toward water, otherwise dispersion phase. Hydrophilic number of milligram of hydrophilic colloid that will just prevent the precipitation of 10 milli of standard gold sol. 10 milli gold sol લઈએ, sol of gold. We have to take a colloidal particle of gold, 10 milli solution in standard state is taken, and when we add 1 milli 10% concentrated electrolyte into it, so obviously precipitation occurs. To prevent precipitation, we are adding, before adding 10% NaCl, lyophilic colloid in milligram of it. એટલે કેટલા મિલીગ્રામ લાયોફિલિક આમાંની કોઈ પણ એક એડ કરીએ તો આનું કોગ્યુલેશન ના થાય. That is the gold number. Milligram is the gold number. એટલે કે 10 મિલી ગોલ્ડનું સોલ્યુશન લેવામાં આવે, ગોલ્ડના કોલોઇડ સોલ્યુશન, એમાં 1 મિલી 10% NaCl એડ કરીએ છતાં પણ તેનું કોગ્યુલેશન ન થાય. આ માટે કેટલું એમાઉન્ટ ઓફ લાયોફિલિક સોલ્ટનું મિલીગ્રામમાં એડ કરવું પડે? ધેટ મિલીગ્રામ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ગોલ્ડ નંબર. સમજાઈ ગયું? 10 મિલી ગોલ્ડનું સોલ્યુશન બનાવવામાં આવે. ગોલ્ડનું કોલોઇડલ સોલ્યુશન of 10 milli when we take and we are adding 1 milli of 10% NaCl. The 10% NaCl નું સોલ્યુશન 1 મિલી એડ કરીએ છતાંય તેનું કોગ્યુલેશન ના થાય. તો એ કોગ્યુલેશન ના થાય માટે કેટલા મિલીગ્રામ લાયોફિલિક એડ કરવા પડેલા છે? That is the called number. The precipitation of the gold. Now the number of milligrams of a hydrophilic colloid that will just prevent the precipitation of 10 milli standard gold salt on addition of 1 milli NaCl. આટલું ઉમેરવા છતાં એનું કોગ્યુલેશન નહીં થાય. Known as gold number of that protector or lyophilic colloid. એનો ગોલ્ડ આ જે મિલીગ્રામ એડ કર્યા આમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક લાયોફિલિક સોલ્ટના એનો gold number કહેવાય. The precipitation of the gold salt is indicated by a color change from red to blue. Yes, our colloidal particle is of aurum, so which is in color red. When precipitation occurs, so it will be aggregate, size increases, and now it will be scattered blue light. પહેલા સ્મોલ હતું તો રેડ સ્કેટરિંગ થાય, પાર્ટિકલ સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય તો બ્લુ થઈ જશે. તો ખબર પડી જશે, એના ઉપરથી ખબર પડશે કોગ્યુલેશન થયું છે કે નહીં, કલર ચેન્જ થશે. The smaller the gold number of a protective lyophilic colloid, greater is its protection power. એટલે જેટલા મિલીગ્રામ લેસ નાખવાથી પ્રોટેક્શન થઈ જાય, એટલે ગોલ્ડ નંબર જેટલો લેસ એટલે ઓછું એમાઉન્ટ નાખવાથી પ્રોટેક્ટ થઈ જાય, કોગ્યુલેશન અટકાવી શકાય. સો સ્મોલર ધ ગોલ્ડ નંબર એટલે મિલીગ્રામ લેસ એડ કરવાથી પ્રોટેક્શન થઈ જતું, એટલે ગોલ્ડ નંબર લેસ હોય તો એનો પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ પાવર હાઈ કહેવાય. પછી મિલીગ્રામ વધારે એડ કરવાથી પ્રોટેક્શન થતું હોય તો એનો મતલબ પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ પાવર એનો લેસ છે. યસ, lyophilic colloids we are adding for the prevent of lyophobic salt. So gelatin આ બધા water attracted છે એટલે હાઇડ્રોફિલિક પણ કહેવાય. gelatin, egg albumin, protein in the egg albumin, gum arabic gund, potato starch, beta-caramel starch. So gelatin has Gold number 0.0052 to 0.01. Egg albumin having 0.082, the 0.005 milligram to 0.01 milligram એડ કરવું પડે તો પ્રોટેક્શન થઈ જાય. આનું આ સોલ્યુશનનું આ એડ કરવા છતાંય એક આલ્બ્યુમિન છે મોર આપવું પડે એટલે ગોલ્ડ નંબર ઇન્ક્રીઝ થયો, એટલે એક આલ્બ્યુમિન છે એનું પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ પાવર લેસ છે એટલે વધારે એડ કરવું પડે. ગમ એરેબિક છે 0.10 to 0.15 મિલીગ્રામ એડ કરવું પડે. જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ચ છે આ સોલ્યુશનના પ્રોટેક્શન માટે 25 મિલીગ્રામ એડ કરવું પડે. એનો મીનિંગ એ થયું કે સ્ટાર્ચ ઇઝ less protecting power, where gelatin has more. Gelatin have maximum protecting power. કારણ કે ઓછું એમાઉન્ટ નાખવાનું એટલે ગોલ્ડ નંબર whenever less, so protecting power high. And starch has less minimum protecting power. Why? 25 milligram is needed to protect this colloidal solution. એટલે ઓરમના colloidal particle ના protection માટે 25 milligram needed છે. Means gold number high હોય the protection power less કહેવાય. So there is a relation. Protection capacity is inversely proportional with gold number for protection number. એટલે આમાંથી એક્ઝામમાં શું પૂછાય? જેનો ગોલ્ડ નંબર હાઈ એનો પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ પાવર લેસ અને ગોલ્ડ નંબર લેસ એનો પ્રોટેક્ટિંગ પાવર હાઈ. It means that now coagulation of lyophobic salt. Coagulation occurs of lyophobic salt by five ways: by addition of electrolyte. Yes, when we add electrolyte, our particles is negatively charged, otherwise positive charge. We are adding electrolyte, means having positive and negative ion compound. So negative part will be attracts toward positive particle and it become neutral, and neutral particles aggregate with each other, and coagulation occurs by electrophoresis. When we take a colloidal solution in U-shaped tube, we are dipping two electrodes, positive and negative plate. If our colloidal particle is negatively charged, so it will be attract toward anode. If colloidal particle is positively charged, it attract toward the cathode. So negative particle became neutral here, and neutral particle aggregate with each other, and precipitation coagulation occurs. Here positive particle became neutral on cathode and aggregate with each other. Coagulation occurs there by mixing two oppositely charged salts. One suppose is positively charged, another is negative. Both colloidal solution, positive and negative charge, when we mix, so it became neutral and combines with each other, and coagulation occurs by boiling. When colloidal solution we are heating, so due to heating, the protecting surface layer which is fixed on heating, it will be removed from there and particle became neutral. When we boil our colloidal solution lyophobic, so there is a layer of positive or negative. So on heating, it will be removed from there and particle became neutral, and coagulation occurs. Repeated dialysis. What is dialysis? Yes, flow of the water. We are passing in the solution. Pure water is entering here. In the cellophane paper bag we have to make. So on the particle there is a charge, positive or negative. Flow of water is flowing throughout the solution of colloidal. So electrolytes, ions will be dissolved into water and will be removed with water, and repeatedly this happens. Repeated, વારંવાર આ પ્રોસેસ કરવાની, એટલે પાર્ટિકલ ઉપર જે ચાર્જ હોય એ રિમૂવ થઈ જાય, and particle became neutral and coagulation occurs. Now coagulation of lyophilic salt by adding electrolyte, same process. If particle is positively charged, so negative ion coagulates it. Particle is negative charged, so positive ion of electrolyte coagulates it, neutralize થઈ જાય. Negative charge by positive, positive by negative neutral થઈ જાય. Neutral particles aggregate ભેગા થાય અને coagulation થઈ જશે. Precipitation or coagulation એટલે કે પાર્ટિકલ બધા ભેગા થઈ જાય by adding suitable solvent. In the lyophilic salt, it has a great attraction toward water. It attracts it toward water. When solvents such as alcohol, the lyophilic salt ma solvent alcohol, otherwise acetone when we add. So hydrophilic salt, the dehydration of એટલે કે આ જે lyophilic salt ને attraction toward water હોય એટલે attraction તૂટી જાય, dehydration થઈ જાય, disperse phase occur. Under this condition, small quantity of electrolyte can be bring out coagulation. એની ઉપર જે ચાર્જ હોય તો એ ચાર્જનું પણ કોગ્યુલેશન થઈ જાય અને પાર્ટિકલ્સ છે બધા ભેગા થઈ એગ્રીગેટ થઈ precipitation otherwise the coagulation occurs. So this is the method of coagulation of lyophilic cell. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture.